Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install Voicemod on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Voicemod website. On the home page, click on the button that says Download for free. After you click it, the website will ask you to sign in or create an account. You can sign in using your email, Google, or any available option. Once you sign in, the Voicemod installer file will start downloading automatically to your computer. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click on the Voicemod setup file to start the installation process. A window will appear asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. Now the Voicemod setup wizard will open. Click Next and read the license agreement. You need to accept the agreement to move forward, so click on I agree. After that, it will ask you to choose the location where you want to install Voicemod. You can leave it as default or choose a different folder if you prefer. Then click Next. The installation will begin, and you just need to wait a few minutes for it to finish. After the installation is complete, click on the Finish button. Voicemod will now be installed on your PC and ready to use. That is how you can easily install Voicemod on your computer. Thanks for watching.